everybody, it's me Megs, and today I'm here to share with you guys all information about this Morgan wig by Myfirstwig, perfect for fall. So my wig did come in this really nice sturdy box, which I appreciate, and it did come with a couple of things. It came with this plastic sleeve, which my wig came in. It also has 2 brown wig caps, which I appreciate too because those work on my skin tone. This cute little pouch that has all your, first time wig wearing essentials, and it comes with this little pamphlet for instructions, some bobby pins, which help secure your wig, this perfect comb, which I love. I have so many of those combs, these little clippy clips to help maneuver throughout the wig, and this elastic band, which you can sew in the wig to make your wig nice and flat. And this tutorial kind of handbook, which gives you everything you need to know for your first time wearing a wig. So this wig is called Morgan, and I absolutely love this color. It's perfect for fall. This is a Malaysian texture, and it is 10 inches. The whole wig is not lace, as you can see here. The back is not lace, so you cannot part it anywhere, which is okay, but I think it would have been nice if you would have been able to part it anywhere, being that the roots are dark, which I really appreciate too because, I prefer dark roots on my skin tone. But overall, the hair feels really good, and when I washed it and conditioned it, the hair did not bleed, so that's a plus in my book. So the lace is on the front half of the hair, and it's really nice thick lace, and this wig does have combs in it. It has 3 combs and a comb in the nape that I always take out because that hurts in the back of my nape, and it also has adjustable straps to secure the wig just to make sure it don't fly off. And the hairline appears to be pre-plucked, which is really nice, but of course you can do more manipulating in the hairline for yourself. I'm not, because I'm gonna wear a center part. The wig came with a center part, which I was happy about because I didn't have to do much, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off around the hairline and get it as close as possible because I am wearing a center part. I don't do baby hairs on my wigs, I just personally don't, but you can. So my hair is braided courtesy of my mama because she braided my hair for me, so my hair is like real dirty right now, so excuse it. So I have some cornrows, so if you have cornrows, the better your hair look, the wig. So I'm gonna put on this brown wig cap because it looks good on my skin tone because it does not show through the lace. You don't want that super bright kind of like chalk look coming through your lace. So I'm gonna put this bad boy on, and it's already parted, it's ready to go. And I'm really loving this shorter bob. I feel like bobs are like great for fall, and I love the color, and this wig is not shedding. The hair feels oh so good because I did wash and condition it, and like I said before, it did not bleed, being that this is like a kind of red burgundy kind of color. So I'm gonna section off the wig because I'm gonna flat iron it, and I always flat iron because it's just easier to maintain when I want to get up and go. It's already straight and ready to go. So I always use my Care Silk and Seal to flat iron my wigs, spray the section, and comb it on through, and I'm just gonna take small sections and start to flat iron. Make sure you don't burn your neck because I definitely did burn my neck off camera and it hurt really bad. So I am using my Flat Iron Experts KQC flat iron, and I have it on the highest temperature, and this is the results I got with flat ironing the hair, doing 1 pass only. So this hair is really easy to flat iron. I feel like the quality of the hair is really good, and it has a lot of movement. So I'm just gonna go ahead and proceed to flat iron the hair until I'm done. And I always kind of use the every time I film this video, videos, I always forget what this method is called, y'all, and it's not on purpose. Silk press, tell me. But the shine is incredible. The quality of the hair is really nice, which I'm surprised about. Because I feel like the wig quality has improved since the first time I tried Myfirstwig wig. So yeah, I love it. Also, with these shorter bobs, make sure you don't over bump the ends because you don't want to look like somebody's granny with over bumped end. This is not 1990. Okay, you just want a slight bump. So I always use my flat iron and follow through and do a slight bend at the end, like so. And I only needed one pass, like I said before. So I definitely feel like the outcome of this wig definitely had something to do with the shampoo, the conditioner I used, the Silk and Seal, the flat iron. I have it on 480, I think. Is it on, no, 480? No, it's on 410. And the way I'm flat ironing it, because I know a lot of people are like, my wig didn't look like that. It didn't look like yours. I definitely feel like the products do matter in how I flat iron the hair. So the products will be in the description below. Okay, as far as shampoo and conditioner and all that, and everything that I use in this video too. So I'm just gonna make sure that the part is a little straighter, and I'm noticing that really don't feel like I have to tweeze the hairline. I probably could have, tweeze the parting. I probably could have, but I just didn't because I felt like it looked okay. And I didn't want a Grand Canyon part, so I just left it alone. So I am going to spray the top half of the wig to control the flyaways with Sebastian hairspray, which is my favorite hairspray. And I'm just going to tame the flyaways because there is a lot of flyaways on this wig. And to get the top laying nice and flat, I always take the flat iron and kind of touch the top of the lace really quickly though. Don't leave it on too long because you don't want to burn it. So you just flat iron the top like that to make it nice and flat. So then to, you know, sleek down everything, I always spray my comb with hairspray and just run it through just to make sure that, you know, all the flyaways are gone. And this hairspray has a soft hold, so it's not going to be stiff. It moves, you know, it's not stiff. You know, like if you bend your head down, your hair gonna stick straight up. No, that's not gonna happen. So I always do this as a final step with all my protective personality units. And it also adds a nice shine too, and it lasts for weeks. So that's why I personally like just flat ironing them, because when I'm not wearing my wigs, I just store them on the wig, and when I'm ready to go somewhere or if I need to wear it, I just slap it on, comb it, and go. Don't have to do nothing. So again, just making sure that the flyaways are tamed because there are a lot with this wig. And I am gonna conceal the lace with my foundation, Fenty Beauty 420 girl. Check out that video if you haven't. And I'm just gonna put that foundation in my part because that's the foundation I'm wearing. I don't like a super bright, you know, parting. I don't use concealer because I just feel like it looks a little silly, especially in pictures, because you don't want that chalky look in your part. So I use foundation and rub it on in like so. So I love the dark roots. I love the color. I love that it did not bleed, and I love the cut. It's a blunt cut, but I will say that the cut, I feel like it could be just a tiny bit neater, and I feel like that's something I personally have to do because you'll see in a minute it's a little crooked and there's a little scraggly, you know, flyaway ends at the end, so it's not completely even, but that's just something that I would have to do myself. Okay, y'all, all information about this wig is down in the description below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll see y'all next time.